for?
X.
Plug in 0 for x.
The y-intercept is.
Which, yes, as you get better at this, you can just jump to noticing that the y-intercept is
Negative 12.
-12. Now remember, this is the point, 0, comma, -12 on the y-axis.
And then, if you want to find the vertex of x, you do negative b over 2a.
Okay, then 2 is the vertex. X equals negative b over 2a.
And you get 1.5. So you do.
Hang on a sec. Slow down, kids.
Oh,
Slow down.
sorry.
Here's one thing on your final parabola I'm going to insist you show, by the way, which I forgot to do. I need to label my a equals 1, -3, c equals -12.
Okay.
All right, Amanda, yes. I'm still here, though. You ready to help me with this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hang on.
All right.
Hey, it's positive 3 because negatives cancel out.
Yep, there'll be a negative and a -3.
And then it's 2 over 2. So it's positive 3 over 2.
Which is?
3 over 2.
Which is
1.5
1.5 if you're a decimal fan.
Okay, you know what? I don't like that.
You didn't have to do decimals?
I like fractions better, but
I did
decimals-
decimals for the whole entire thing.
That's fine. You're probably gonna have to do decimals on the what's it called? The x-intercepts, which is next, right?
No.
What did I say was next?
B squared minus 4ac.
No, you
tells
said
you
The discriminant.
the discriminant.
But what about
Okay.
the axis of symmetry?
Axis of symmetry, yes.
It's from the vertex.
X equals 1.5. Oh, and then,
Squared.
wait a minute.
You're not done just finding y.
Slow down, guys. You guys are doing great, but you're going fast, okay? Slow down a second. I think you're giving Sarah a headache. So, now that we have the x-coordinate of the vertex, we need to find the y-coordinate. So, y equals, I'm going to go back to using fractions for this for a second. 3 halves squared minus 3 times 3 halves minus 12. So this is going to give me 9/4
I got.
minus 9/2 minus 12.
I got.
Then what do you get when you square 3 halves?
14.2.
Oh, when you split, you get.
Okay.
Mr. Bellamy,
Yes?
I got negative 14.25.
You know what? I'm going to check that. I'm going to make 9/4 minus 18/4 minus 48/4. What did I just do there?
You
Put
got
everything in
them
fractions.
all in the same denominator.
I
Made them all a common denominator,
had done it with decimals.
which is fine.
Oh.
I like to go non-calculator as long as possible. At this point, it's kind of a macho thing.
That's nice.
It's
You know,
negative-
fractions are so macho.
Yeah. It's
Um,
negative 5.25.
Is that right?
That's what I got, but I got positive because I did something stupid.
Let's see. This will be negative 9/4 minus 48/4. And that's going to be negative 57/4.
Never mind, wait.
I got it right.
Is that right?
I think she's right. No, wait.
I got negative 14.25. Let me do it on the calculator.
Yeah, it's going to be
14.2
negative
is right.
14.
She's right.
Yeah, it's going to be negative 14 and 1/4, which is negative 14.25.
Okay.
Well, when we get to the drawing, I'll show you why it had to be, the vertex had to be like that.
That's probably why my drawing's off.
Probably. Okay, so this tells me then that the vertex, which I'll start writing up here, is at positive 1.5
Yeah.
and negative 14.25.
I have a question.
Quickly, please.
I didn't get the x-intercepts thingy, but I think I did it right.
We'll find out. Now, x-intercepts.
Is the discriminant.
Yep, the first thing we do is b squared
minus 4a is
4ac. So that's going to be negative 3 squared minus 4
times
times
12.
1 times negative
Square root of
12.
57. Square root of 57.
I got 39.
Okay, this is going to be, did you get that negative 3 squared was positive 9?
Yes.
Okay, then and subtracting a negative is going to be plus 48.
That's what I got. And then I got 57.
Okay, good. So it's 57, which is, what does this tell me?
That's the square root.
Okay, it's a square root part of the quadratic formula. How many intercepts do I have?
2.
2. If you get a positive number here, you have 2. And they are x equals negative b, which is positive 3, plus or minus the square root of 57, because I've already figured out my b squared minus 4ac, over 2 times a, which is just 2. And this is where you put it in the calculator, not the way we did yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I did them.
And it's 3 plus the square root of 57 in parentheses divided by 2.
5.3.
And it's 3 minus the square root of 57 in parentheses.
I got 5.27.
That would be 5.3 then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
So the reason you have us do b squared minus 4ac on its own is just so we can plug it in without having to do it in the equation.
2 reasons. One, yes, that's the way it works. It can do it on its own. But
Yeah.
notice something about this. If you get a 0 under here, Phil, then this all goes away and you've only got one answer, which in this case would be 3/2. And if you've got a negative here, then you know you're going to have a negative square root, which means an imaginary answer, which means there are no x-intercepts. So why bother to do anything else?
Okay.
So you do this first because it tells you, first, whether or not to go on. And second, if you do go on, you've already figured it out.
Okay.
So it's convenient in 2 ways. What's 3 minus the square root of 57 divided by 2?
It's
Negative 2.3.
Negative 2.3.
And then you can graph it.
I hope that everyone else's silence does imply the consent because they know this is correct because they worked it out themselves with their calculators.
Okay, wait.
If not, next week will be exciting.
And if it's a positive
Parabola
number,
line.
it has 2 intercepts.
Yes.
If it's
The parabola line.
0, it has 1 intercept. Right?
Yes. And yeah, if it's negative, it has none.
Okay.
Okay.
Lauren and Connor at the bar.
Okay. Hey. Now, so these are the points 5.3, comma 0, and the points negative 2.3, comma 0. Okay? Questions so far, and do we have enough points to graph?
Yes.
Can you do it on?
Sort of. No, no,
I
yeah,
can try that.
here's what we'll do. Yeah, turn the projector on, hit power twice.
Wait, after I have a question for you after that. But it is about the homework.
Okay, hang on, hold on to it.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
All right, now, Shade, can you help me out for a second? Oh, I'm sorry, I think actually I asked you to find this for me. When I saw it. Apologize if that's.
What'd you get for number 2?
Okay, did you turn that on?
I don't know.
Okay, you guys ready for me to erase all this?
Yes.
Excellent.
No, plus or minus out. Making pluses.
No way.
Yes, today is the 5th.
Is everything
I know
right?
that because yesterday was my sister's birthday.
Happy
Oh, that's
birthday.
so nice.
So,
It's
okay.
not working.
After you hit it a million times, it
Yeah.
won't.
Thanks for telling me. Okay, now, got one more thing I need to do back here. They told us to unplug everything in case the snow causes a power outage.
Really?
And then if the power comes back on, they don't want to surge.
That was working.
Okay, this may take a minute to warm up, so let's sum up our information. Where's the vertex?
The vertex is at
1.5,
Thank you.
negative 14.25.
Negative 14.25. Where is the
y-intercept.
axis of symmetry then is x is 1.5, and then yes, the y-intercept, Amanda, is,
Negative 12.
so that's 0, comma, negative 12. And the x-intercepts are,
Negative.
Negative
Oh, no.
2.3,
oh, no.
comma 0,
yep,
5.
and 5.3, comma
5.3, comma 0. Okay. Do I need to label these as y and x-intercepts?
No.
0. No.
No. You guys should know that because if one of the coordinates is 0, it's on the x or y axis. Okay, we've almost got the light to
Can I
do this.
turn off the light?
Could be helpful.
Can I vote?
Yeah, now you can. Okay.